To achieve our conservation goals in the Tongass, Audubon teamed up with the Nature Conservancy to conduct a comprehensive assessment and design a conservation strategy for Southeast Alaska, focused on protecting priority watersheds of the highest biological value. To identify the most ecologically valuable watersheds, we selected a subset of focal species and natural systems as indicators for overall habitat value. These included estuaries and big tree old-growth forests, salmon, brown and black bears, Sitka black-tailed deer, and a seabird called the marbled murrelet that nests in old-growth trees. The conservation assessment identified priority watersheds for conservation and restoration. The watersheds with the highest biological values, places like Long Bay on Chichagof Island, were identified as conservation priority watersheds. We recommend that conservation priority watersheds be designated for permanent protection. The conservation assessment identified watersheds with a history of logging and road construction that still maintain important habitat values as restoration watersheds. An example is Nika Bay, also on Chichagof Island. We recommend that restoration watersheds be managed to emphasize restoration and conservation. This map represents conservation and restoration priorities for the Tongass. The green regions are conservation priority watersheds, intact forest with high biological and community values. These areas should be permanently protected. The orange areas represent restoration watersheds, previously logged regions that still have high habitat values and are important to local people for recreation, fishing, hunting, and subsistence use. These areas should be restored and conserved. Blue regions are already protected by Congress, but generally have lower biological productivity, such as ice fields and scrub forests.